Hello everyone, this is Santosh. Welcome to my channel Code in Swift. This is the part 4 video of auto layout series. In this video, we will learn about StackViews. So, what is StackViews and why we need to use it? StackViews allows us to lay out a series of views either horizontally or vertically so that views inside StackView are automatically adjusted to the available space using properties such as spacing, alignment, distribution. Using StackViews, we no longer need to define auto layout constraints for every UI object inside StackView. It doesn't mean you don't need auto layout for StackView. You need to define constraints only for StackView but not for the inside of StackView objects. We can create StackViews in two different ways, like adding StackView. You can select any one of these, horizontal or vertical. It completely depends on the elements you place inside the stack view. So I'm just selecting right now horizontal stack view. I'm dragging here. You can see here, this is the stack view. We can embed our views inside the stack view, like this button. We can drag into the stack view. You can see stack view was highlighted. You can drag inside this stack view, so it will automatically adjust the place as per the content inside the stack view. So we can click on this document outline, so we can clearly notice what are present inside stack view. So here is the stack view, we just have placed it, and inside stack view we have one button. You can see here. You can also add any number of elements inside the stack view. So I'm adding another button inside the stack view like this. So now two buttons present inside stack view. You can see the difference by changing its name. Button 1 and its background color. Like this, and this is button 2, background color. Like this. So we have two buttons inside stack view. So this is one way of adding elements into stack view. We can adjust spacing or alignment, like here. Select the stack view here, and in the attribute inspector you can see spacing here. If you specify spacing, it will take 20 pixels between the two buttons here. I will change text color so it will look much better. You can also do here, it means it will fill all the content. Like if you say fill equally, it will share equal spacing between these buttons. Like this. And alignment means you can align the objects inside stack view, either top, center or bottom. This is so what we will do, we will see another way of using stack view. I'm just deleting this too, and now what I will do, this is our last video which we have used constraints to each and everything. You can see for each text field we have created minimum 3 constraints. You can notice here for each text field we have assigned 3 constraints. So what I will do, using stack view we can reduce the number of constraints. How we will see now. I'm just selecting all this, I'm just going bottom of the screen, I'm just selecting clear constraints, so it will remove whole constraints from the screen. So I'm just selecting clear constraints. Now you can see there is no constraint. So what I will do, I will select these 4 text fields and I will embed it in the stack view. So after selecting this text fields, just go inside here, embed in, just click on this button, you can see stack view. So now these text fields are now inside stack view. You can notice here, see first name, last name, email, password, these 4 are inside stack view. Now what you have to do is, you just need to give constraint to this stack view, not for these text fields. I'm just giving constraint to this stack view only. Select the stack view and add constraints, like I'm giving constraints from top 50, and from leading I'm just giving 30, and from right or trailing 30. I will give only 3 constraints and click on add 3 constraints. You can see it will look like exactly the same as previous one. Okay, now we can also add any number of UI components into the stack view. For example, I will add this sign up button inside the stack view. Just drag here. You can also do like this, or you can also add it from document outline. This is document outline. I'm just selecting sign up button and dragging onto stack view. That's it. You can see now this sign up button is part of the stack view. Here you go. You can run and see. So you will get clarity. You can see it's perfectly working fine. Now I will rotate the screen, so you will notice, you can see exactly same what we have done in our last video. So this is the simple way to use stack views. You can see in the previous video we have assigned number of constraints to each text field is 3. For one text field you have assigned 3 constraints, so which means 3 into 4, 12 constraints for text fields and 3 per sign up button, totally 15 constraints. Now you just have created only 3 constraints, which is 1, 2 and 3 for stack view. So stack views are more helpful when you are working with layout. We can create more Stackviews in the future videos, but that's it for the day. Thanks for watching.